Hello everyone, how you doing? You remember I talked to you about the 80%, 20% of the time having a healthy diet. And during the 20% of the time,
you can indulge yourself in anything you feel like it. Look. This is also alcohol, this is sugar, this is chocolate.
But you know what? These are all made with genuine good ingredients. Look at this chocolate. It's organic and it's real chocolate. There's no vegetable oils, it's pure chocolate. So this is what I was talking about when I tell you in the 20%, indulge yourself in stuff that are good quality. It's good for your body, it's good for your brain, and it's good for how you're gonna feel on the next day. Because you know, for example, in the case of chocolate, almond, or whatever it is that you like, they all have some propriety. So enjoy them at the maximum. 20% of the time. You remember? 80%, you are a little bit more strict. 20%, you just go the way you want to go. So go for it and let me know what are your little sin, the 20% sin that calls you. See you soon. Ciao.